Mr. Vijay ji, very respected. He is our corporate client of Softtech Limited from Pune. He will tell about us how we have helped him.
हाँ हाँ या आई एम देयर
Vijay, जो है Mr. Vijay is a IIT Powai alumni, and he is the CEO founder of Softtech Limited, which is a listed company in BSC Emerge Exchange, and he has done his IPO and raised 100 crores to expand in the overseas, and he is very talented, and his product Auto DCR is also very popular in Mumbai Municipal Corporation, Pune Municipal Corporation, and many other PSU companies in India. He has migrated the value. Earlier in municipal corporation, the officers used to uh, approve the maps manually by going to their sites, but he has changed that completely. The 180-degree change he has brought to that government style. So he has many clients. So let's hear more from him. He is a very good guy and very nice person. Welcome, Vijay ji. Guys. Please welcome Vijay ji.
Thanks, Kunjan, and
Welcome, Vijay ji. Welcome.
good morning, good afternoon, everybody. It's
Morning.
really my pleasure to talk on this platform where Kunjan is really teaching us as to how we can grow our wealth by generated wealth. So I am, first of all, let me briefly talk about introduction of myself. As already Kunjan has talked quite a lot. I am heading a company in the capacity of Managing Director and CEO of Softtech Engineers Limited. This is a company with a background of innovations in software development with a specific focus to architectural engineering and construction domain. We are helping our customers, both private and public, with the innovations so that we can try to bring transparency, efficiency, and uniformity in terms of bringing the processes in the government and also bringing in processes into the construction industry. This is a very great success story of about, I would say, 25 years we are completing in this year, and very successful products which have changed the way the government thinks, especially in terms of construction permits. We have raised capital from market. We went public and also have raised fundings from the overseas companies for growth of this company as a whole, with products developed here but taken to the international market. Now, when I talk about the investments which are brought into the company, of course, like investments were brought for the growth, but they are not deployed immediately, like say, so we have money lying and where to put the money is a challenge. Number one, money cannot be placed anywhere because it can, even if it earns 30%, 40% or whatever, it has to be safe. It has to be, the paramount importance is my capital, which I have taken it from public or from the investors, should remain safe for the growth of the company. It should be in the hands of the people who can really manage it effectively and very safely. Second is being money which is actually for the growth of the company, it should be liquid enough so that whenever I want it for the growth, I should be able to get it. And these were the challenges which we were facing. And that's where I met Kunjan, and Kunjan advised me as to how we can really manage our investments, which are brought in with hard work and with great level of responsibility. And I actually discussed quite a lot with him. I'll not take much time, but I would say his advices have really been able to answer my both the major questions in terms of money being safe, placed, it grows by itself in a passive way, I would say. And at the same time, it is available for us. And I'm really thankful to Client First and especially Kunjan for helping out is whenever we need advice as to whether we transfer the funds from here to there or can we grow it further by itself, or when we need it, can we get it quickly. So thank you very much, and I really hope a very bright future for Client First. Thank you very much, everybody, and especially Kunjan.